Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO F33 Pro 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. And when the OPPO logo appears, after 1 to 2 seconds, release it. So you can see now here select language, volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm, and you can also use the touch feature. So here select language and you can see it will send you in recovery. Here format data and reboot device, both only two options are available there, format data and reboot device. Simply tap on format data. So as you can see in format data, here you have a verification code. Please enter verification code. It is 6317. Enter it 6317. So you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Guys, I would like to inform you that all stored data on this device will be deleted after hard reset. So now simply tap on format. Wiping, please wait. And as you can see on bottom, data is successfully formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard set, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set, when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set OPPO F33 Pro 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.